Hey people, I'm Alex Kyriakidis.
I think Alex is frozen.
Hey.
I think Alex is frozen. This is a silent interview. Does Alex have anything to add to this? Maybe a smile?
He just likes to be on the side and look pretty.
Alex.
Yeah, well, this is Rolf from Vue School. We look forward. We're super stoked about Vuejs Amsterdam. We'll come there, we'll attend, we'll meet all of the nice people, the entire community. We'll also do a workshop about Vuex. You'll learn everything you need to know to make awesome Vue applications.
So workshop is about Vuex and state management. And it starts from the very basics, like what is Vuex, what problems it solves, how you can benefit from using it. So we will cover like actions, mutations, and all the fundamentals of Vuex. And later on, we will dive into more advanced concepts.